Hey guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable push notifications on your app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, you click here on profile down here. When you just click on profile, so then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here, click here on notification settings, just click on it. Then it's going to take you, when you click on notification settings, it's going to take you to this list here. Then you go down, just keep going down, you come here to receive push notifications, just click on this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean here receive push notifications. Disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.